Lifting the lid of the Hollyland Lyra's box felt more like unveiling a piece of professional equipment than a standard consumer gadget. Everything inside was perfectly arranged, exuding a sense of order and quality. The camera itself sat at the center, compact, solid, and beautifully machined, its minimalist design immediately evoking confidence. Near it, the Lark A1 wireless transmitter microphone. Beneath it, each accessory had its dedicated compartment: the magnetic mounting base, the USB-C cable, documentation, mic charging dock, and furry windshield, all neatly positioned. The overall experience felt deliberate and elegant, as though every component was waiting to be discovered in sequence. As I lifted the camera out for the first time, the cold, smooth finish of its metal body felt substantial in my hands. There was no creak, no plastic flex, just a reassuring solidity that made me want to connect it right away and see what it could do. Even the protective film over the lens gleamed with that new tech anticipation, hinting at the optical precision behind it. From that moment, it was clear that Hollyland had approached not just performance, but presentation, with the same level of sophistication. At the heart of the Hollyland Lyra is a 50-megapixel sensor capable of true 4K video at 30 frames per second, and it shows. Every pixel seems to carry depth and purpose, from the texture of my shirt to the reflections in my eyes. When I used it to record a product demo, the clarity was staggering. Metallic surfaces gleamed, fine print remained legible, and transitions from hand to face stayed sharp throughout. In a video call, that level of detail translates to presence. You don't just appear, you stand out. Whether you're teaching, presenting, or streaming, Lyra's visual fidelity commands attention without ever feeling exaggerated or overprocessed.